Let us discuss what is Node.js and what is what are the PHP and Apache. First of all, Node.js is a runtime environment which is used to execute the JavaScript files, while in the same way the PHP, which was a synchronous language which requires a web server for the execution. Here the Apache acts as a web server. The Apache, which was a web server, which was very helpful and which serves many different server-side languages. And this Node.js is mainly used in the real-time applications, while the Apache and PHP are used in the standard web applications. Okay, now let us discuss about what is the use of callback functions. These callback functions are mainly used in this Node.js. In this callback function, a function is passed as an argument to the another function. The execution of the function is done after the execution of the synchronous operation. These callback functions are very helpful in this Node.js. These allows multiple taskings and which makes the system more efficient and do many number of tasks in the less time. And these are mainly used for IO operations, and with the help of these callback functions we can ensure that the blocking of the execution of the functions decreases or it can be prevented. Let us see what is the importance of the package.json file in the Node.js. This package.json file in the Node.js is very important. It contains the metadata about the project, and it tells about the dependencies which require for the project. And the main key points of this package.json file contains are the name of the project and what is the version of the project, and it tells about the dependencies of the project, and it contains the script which require for the implementation of the project. And finally, with the help of this package.json file, we can easily manage the project, and we can find all the dependencies of the project. Okay, now let us see what is the difference between the require and import, which we are using in the Node.js. These both are used for the importing of the modules. The main difference between this require and importing is this require is used for importing the modules which are old modules of the Node.js, which allows the dynamically loading. And in the same way, this import is used for loading the new modules of the Node.js, and this import requires static loading. Static loading. Okay, now let us discuss about the middleware in the Node.js. These middleware are the functions which are used for accessing of this response or request objects, and these middleware functions are also used to modify the objects. For example, the login and the authentications, etc. Okay, now let us discuss about the RESTful APIs. These are the type of web APIs follow the principles of the REST, which is nothing but a representational state transfer. You can create one using the Node.js by defining the route for the HTTP methods like get, post, delete, which are used for the retrieving and creating or deleting the resources. Okay, now let us discuss about the npm, which means node package manager. It is used for the managing the dependencies and the packages. You can install package name and update the package.json file. We can use both require and import for the installations of this package to utilize to utilize the installed packages. As we previously discussed, that the require is used for loading the old versions of the old packages of the node JS, and the import is used for loading the newly Node.js modules. Okay, now let us discuss about the hashing of the passwords. Uh, we use a bycrypt 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 package for this hashing, or we have several hashing packages which are help for hashing the passwords. The hashing passwords is a very important thing, because we all know that the passwords are put by us for security purpose. If they need to be stored in the databases for the login purposes. For that time, the admin or the manager of those databases can see the passwords in it. For that, if we hash those passwords, which hashing here takes place is nothing but it convert the password string into the irreversible and encrypted string, and preventing it can prevent the plain text storage, which causes we cannot we cannot say what is the password by easily by just looking what is stored in the database, which was a very helpful thing. And this hashing of the passwords is very important in many aspects.